Thank you for tuning in. It's Raya Designs, and in this video I am creating a denim circle skirt dress. Right now I'm just printing out my pattern form. So after the printing and the cutting, I gotta put this pattern together like a puzzle. And this is just a random pattern that I found on the internet. I typed in on Google free circle skirt pattern PDF, and this is just one of the patterns that I came across. And I am still getting used to these electric scissors. They work great, but I be kind of nervous using them because I feel like if I go too fast, my hand will slip and I'll cut something wrong. I'm going to use this old circle skirt I got because I like the length of it, and that's about the length I want the dress to be. And notice how I did not put the full skirt like under the cut that I made. I didn't want the waistband to get added into that, so I left some of it out. And when I get a chance, I need to create my own sleeve pattern because I'm always going in the closet to find a random long sleeve to trace. That way I can already have a perfect sleeve ready for me at any point in time. For the top of the dress, I'm kind of just freehanding. I wasn't sure how I was going to create it, but I just seen the fabric have this specific shape I thought would work out for it. So I'm kind of just going from here just to see how it'll come out. So here you can start to see the vision and how the dress is forming together. So after sewing the dress together, I needed to tailor it. So that consists of me shortening the torso, having to put the sleeves together, and then adding the zipper in the back. And then I also need to take in the sides. And then cut some extra fabric off of the skirt. Then the most time consuming part about this dress is I de-threaded the edges of the outfit. That way it can get this fringe look. I did it all by hand, just picking the fabric out. And then I wet it up a little bit on the edges and threw it in the dryer. I also was having trouble zipping it all the way up in the back, so I opened it up in the front. And this is what I like to call a perfect mistake because I think it came out looking even better. That ends this video. Hit the subscribe button and let me know what you think.